Welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'll be showing you how to join Monopoly Go Discord server. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your Google Chrome and go to search box and type right here Monopoly Go on Discord. Then tap on search, and from here you will find a link at the top saying Discord servers tag with Monopoly Go. So tap this one and you will go here on this page where actually you can find all the servers right here or Monopoly Go servers on your Discord. So all I want to do to join this one is just to tap this join this server, and you will now directly go to your Discord and it will connect on your Discord app. So as you can see here, you need to tap on this accept invite and you'll be now on this Monopoly Go Discord server. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.